We're here up in Denton today with Brad and my dad Frank. He's in from Tennessee, and we're at Smok't Trailers. I'll put a link in the description. Brad manufactures trailers among many things that he does up here. So Brad, tell us what we're going to be working on today.
Today's a pretty basic trailer. It's a 6x10 trailer, and it's kind of a smaller one than we usually build, but they're popular, they're great. Won't have a dovetail, just be a straight frame with sides. Get it knocked out here in a couple hours.
All right, let's get to work.
We're doing cross members on centers every 15 for most of our trailers, not 24s like most guys do. Using 3,500 pound Dexter axles. These guys are using Lippert axles, which are junk. Usually cheap, junky Harbor Freight jacks. So I can't find jacks anymore. We're honest, the fact that we use cheap, shitty Chinese tires.
Oh, okay.
If they want to bump up to radio, we're not that expensive. So. Yep. And they get done quick, man. I get on a trailer in 2 or 3 days. I don't have to wait. And then fully custom is my big deal. You know, you go ask most of these manufacturers, they got dies, and even that's how I'm different even than the big guys. Is they've got dies, right? So they can do a 9 or a 10 foot, 12 foot. They can do this way, this, that. But you ask them for something custom, they either can't do it or it'll take them months to do it.
Yeah, it's not their deal. They'll just tell you no thank you.
So I can knock it out and real quick. And anything anyone can imagine, as long as it's within legal width. Like my hammerhead trailers, I've never seen anything like them. And then the extensions that I do, I've never seen anything like them.
15 years ago, I wanted a gooseneck, and I wanted it a certain length, a certain type of bed. In other words, I didn't want a dovetail on it.
Right.
And it took them. I'd say it took them probably up to 6 weeks to get it.
Yep.